In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Nintendo eShop gift card. We'll use the easiest method, which is redeeming online from a computer or a phone. This is perfect if your Nintendo Switch isn't nearby, or you just prefer a bigger keyboard. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Nintendo eShop redeem page. Make sure you're on Nintendo's legitimate site before you sign in. If you're not sure how to find it, a quick search for Nintendo eShop redeem will get you there. Once the page loads, sign into your Nintendo account. Use the same account you use on your Switch because the funds you add are tied to that specific account. If you have security steps like verification codes, complete those as prompted. Next, you'll see a field to enter your gift card code. Carefully scratch the protective strip on the back of your physical card to reveal the code. Do this gently to avoid damaging any characters. Scratching too hard can make the code unreadable. Most Nintendo eShop gift card codes are 16 characters long. The on-screen keyboard helps by disabling invalid characters automatically, so you don't have to worry about typing a letter or symbol that doesn't belong. Type the entire 16-character code exactly as it appears. After you've entered the code, click Next and then click Redeem. Take a moment to review the on-screen confirmation. You should see the amount that will be added to your balance and the Nintendo account it's going to. If everything looks correct, confirm the redemption. You'll get a success message and your eShop balance will update right away. That balance can then be used for purchases on your Switch, including games, downloadable content, and in-game items. There's one important requirement to know about. Nintendo says your account must have accessed the eShop at least once before redeeming online. If you've never opened the eShop on your Switch with this account, simply launch the eShop app on your console, sign in, and let it load. After that quick first-time access, return to the redeem page and try again. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Double-check that you're signed into the correct Nintendo account, especially if you share a device. Keep the card and code private until you've redeemed it. Don't post or share the code anywhere. If a character is hard to read, try comparing similar-looking ones, like 0 and the letter O, and let the keyboard's validation guide you, and that's it. Go to the official redeem page, sign in, enter the 16-digit code, click Next, then Redeem, and your funds are ready to use. Enjoy your new games and happy gaming!